What's up, peeps? This is Todd, and welcome back to my show. Today, I wanted to show you guys how to cash out on Ibotta. Ibotta, of course, is one of the many cashback apps that I use. So I figured I'd just make a quick video showing exactly what you need to get in order to cash out, and then how to actually get the money from Ibotta and into your bank account. So I'm going to open up Ibotta here. Just go to the home screen. Obviously, you can see all the different stores and stuff that are on Ibotta. Like Target, Walmart, all that stuff. And then just more Ibotta stuff right there. But then if I go to the tab that says account, in a sec, here we go. So I've made $481.03, and I currently have $20 in that account. That is important because you have to have a minimum of $20 before you actually cash out. So make sure that when you go to redeem, you at least have $20 in there that can be redeemed, and then you can redeem in a few different ways. So if I go to redeem it, PayPal is my favorite option, but there's also gift cards. Personally, I never do the gift cards because I like cash because I can go and invest it. I can't make a 10% return on an Amazon gift card, but I can make a 10% return on cash. So although there's lots of gift card options, I personally have never done that, but of course, to each their own. You do what's best for you. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select PayPal for what I would like to choose. But I'll just show you, there's some more gift cards down there. But this is what I would do is I would do PayPal. And then as soon as I can here, it should load up that I want to withdraw $20 to my PayPal account. Here we go. And so you type in what you want to withdraw. There's no point in keeping any money in Ibotta. It's not doing anything for you there. So just withdraw the full amount once you get to the $20. And then basically just this says withdraw successful. So what that means is there's now a $0 balance in my Ibotta account. And instead that $20 is now in my PayPal. So if I go back out, you can see $0 is my current balance there. And if I go to my activities in Ibotta, you can see that I just redeemed $20. And I click that, so you can see that, yep, I just redeemed it, and they have that there. So now, if I pull up my email, I should receive an email from PayPal. Here we go. Yep, Ibotta just sent you $20. So that just came through my email. And that's just a letter from Ibotta saying that they paid me. So we're all good there. And then the next thing you want to do is just go to your PayPal account or Venmo, whatever you guys decide to redeem it on. Mine is through PayPal. And then, of course, you want to take the funds out of PayPal and put it in your bank account. So you can see right there, boom, $20 from Ibotta. So, yeah, there we go. That's how to cash out. $20 on Ibotta.